A handy guide to the humble fork. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're focusing on a topic that might seem simple, but is quite important when it comes to food and dining in English-speaking cultures. Yes, we're diving into the world of eating utensils, and in this episode, we're getting to know the fork. Let's get started. A fork is a tool used in Western dining for picking up food and delivering it to the mouth. It typically has a handle and a head with several long, thin tines. In English, the word fork can also be used as a verb. When we use fork as a verb, it means to lift or move something with a fork. Did you know there are several different types of forks used for different meals and foods? Here are a few examples. 1. Dinner fork. This is the most common type of fork. It's used in main meals, and usually has 4 tines. 2. Salad fork. A bit smaller than a dinner fork, it is typically used when eating salads. 3. Dessert fork. This is smaller and lighter than a dinner fork and is used when eating sweet dishes after a meal. 4. Fish fork. This is a specialized fork used for eating fish. Now let's talk about how to use a fork. Normally, you hold the fork in the hand you use to write. The tines face downwards, and you use it to pick up food by spearing or scooping. When it comes to manners, it's important to remember not to use your fork to point at others around the table. Also, in many cultures, it's considered rude to chew with your fork still in your mouth. We've learned a lot about forks today. Remember, dining etiquette and utensils might differ depending on the culture, but understanding the basics can be a big help when you're learning English. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Next time you pick up a fork, think about all you've learned today. See you in the next video where we will dive into another fascinating topic. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.